My name's Jill, and I'm a 3-time repeat customer at the St. Louis Closet Company. Lori came in and asked me exactly what I wanted and literally drew a sketch for me at the time of that meeting. And this is what we came up with. She created half of a wall for all my shoes. One thing I like about the St. Louis Closet Company's shelves are that they're all adjustable. I do have a lot of sweaters, therefore I wanted a lot of shelves. One of the features that I love are these extension rods. Sometimes the night before I go to work, I like to decide what I'm going to wear, so I will get my selections out and have them hanging up for me, ready to go the next morning. We have a hanging spot for long sleeves, short sleeves, crop pants, my husband's suits, and then longer items. This closet, I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend it.